Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, Ryan and I are traveling back to Georgia. It's under sad circumstances. We're actually going back for my grandmother's funeral, but Ryan and I didn't think that we would get to go home and see family until like Christmas. So we are still excited to go back and see friends and family and visit with everybody. So we are headed out to Georgia this morning, and I'm going to take you with me on our trip back home. I am going to be seeing my best friend Amanda and the house that they're building. I'm going to show y'all that. I also want to show y'all my family farm. I know I've talked about it before, that my family owns like an agritourism farm, but it is prime peak strawberry season right now, and I thought it'd be fun to actually show y'all like where I grew up and where I worked for a long time. So I'm going to show you all that and just take you along with me. We're going to be there for a week. So Ryan and I are headed out to the airport in a little bit, and then we're going to be in Georgia. And of course, our angel is coming with us. Come here. She is such a good little flyer. She's flown with us a handful of times now, and she does so good. Yeah. You ready? Yes. Good morning. Okay, so I think I left off with us just getting back from the airport or driving in the car from the airport with Heidi, but we are here. We made it. Today's Thursday, so on Tuesday night, we spent time with Ryan's family, and Ryan's brother and sister-in-law just had a baby in January, and we haven't met her yet, and so they were in town, and we're in town, so we met her Tuesday, and just saw Ryan's family on Tuesday and did dinner with like Ryan's grandparents. So that was really good. And then yesterday on Wednesday was all funeral. So that was my grandmother's funeral yesterday. And so we were just doing that sun up to sundown and visiting with family. That was really special, and it was a good ceremony and very sweet. So that was yesterday. So today's Thursday, and some of my mom's friends are bringing her breakfast, or like breakfast for our whole family today, this morning. So Ryan and I are dressed and ready for the day, and we're gonna go over to my parents' house and we're gonna eat breakfast there, and then I might want to try and like drive around the farm. Yeah, the rest of our day is kind of up in the air, but this morning we are going to breakfast.
Oh my, it's so soft.
I know, he's so soft.
That's crazy.
He's a soft bunny.
Oh my god.
I was telling Ryan this is my first job picking strawberries, because we do pre-picks in pre-pick buckets, and people can come like order the pre-picked gallon buckets. So my first job is picking pre-picked buckets of strawberries.
Good morning. It is Friday, and today we don't have a lot of plans for today. The only thing that we do know is that we are going to go see my friend Amanda, and we are going to drive out to their new house. It's not fully finished yet, but it's getting super close. So that was like one thing I really wanted to do when we were back in Georgia. So we're doing that this afternoon. We'll probably leave here by like 3:15, but I'm having some breakfast. So we have 2 over hard eggs, a little bit of sausage, bacon, and then these are the strawberries that Ryan and I picked yesterday. Oh, they're beautiful. So this is my breakfast. I'm gonna eat, and then I will take you along for the rest of the day. Okay, we are headed to go see Amanda and Austin's new house. We're on the way. So, see you when we get there. Wow! Oh my gosh! Here she is! My BFF! Wow! Your house! And y'all are doing cabinets and like a countertop in here for the pantry? Are you doing counters in here too?
Yeah, so cabinets.
Okay.
I left the bottom open for the dog holes.
Oh, that'll be cool.
Let's do like a closet type thing.
They just put in the stone today, so we're very hyped. We're at my parents' house currently. Seeing the house was so much fun. It looks so good. The next time I'll see it's gonna be like Christmas and it'll be fully ready. So when we come back for Christmas, I'm gonna go see it. I'm so excited, but we're just gonna hang out with my family tonight and we're gonna go get dinner. Good morning. It's Saturday morning and Ryan and I just woke up. We took Heidi out to go potty and I'm about to make some breakfast and then we're gonna go out to my parents' farm later and see it in full action on a Saturday. The weekends are obviously the busiest. So we're gonna go to the farm and then this afternoon we're going to Atlanta to stay with some of our friends for the night and visit with them. So that's kind of the tentative plan for like today and tomorrow. But last night after dinner, we stopped by Publix so that I could get some desserts. So I picked up some Sweet Lauren chocolate chunk cookies. They're so good. And then I went ahead and got some So Delicious dairy-free whipped cream. So good, and I love eating this with strawberries, exactly like they have on the cover. So I got some of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. Okay, this is my outfit for today. So it's a little Fabletics like tennis dress, little like skirts, got like the built-in shorts. So it's my outfit of the day. Okay, we stopped by Molly's Coffee Co. in Athens, if you're in Athens, and I got a decaf iced vanilla latte with oat milk. So, got my coffee, and now we are going to the farm. So in the fall, we have our sunflower fields and zinnia fields out here. And then this big old field is normally our corn maze, but none of that's like open in the spring. Get it to stop in the curve without rolling back.
That's too hard.
Ryan and I got our wristbands to do the mega slide. We've done it before and it is so much fun. So we're gonna do the mega slide. Ryan, look. I don't really know what I did to get mine. I got mine in like 5 tries.
12 hours later. I feel like I just chose chaos and then it worked, but now I can't get it.
All right, we are back from the farm. We got some more strawberries, so I'm gonna eat some of that Cocoa Whip and some strawberries before we head out to Atlanta. So we're about to pack up and get all of our stuff and get Heidi, and we are spending the night in Atlanta tonight with our friends. So I'm gonna have a snack of a little whipped cream and strawberries real fast before we leave, and then we're on our way to Atlanta. Washing the strawberries. Hi. All right, Cocoa Whip, so good, and it's so good with strawberries. Heidi, what do you think? Did you miss us? Did you miss us?
This is the real content they want to see.
The Heidi content.
They really are. They're so much juicier than any store brand.
Good morning. It is Sunday, and it's Ryan's birthday, and we are here at our friend's house. We spent the night last night, but we are getting ready to go to a place called Activate or Play Activate, and it's like this place where you go and do all these like agility challenges and like dodge lasers, and I don't know, it's like this indoor place, and you need groups of like 2 to 5 people to go do it. So there's 4 of us, and we are about to go grab lunch and then go to this like place. There's apparently one in Dallas, but there's one here in Atlanta too, so that's what we're about to go do. We stayed up late last night playing games and stuff, but today's Sunday, it's Ryan's birthday, and that's what we're about to go do for his birthday.
Game starts in 3, 2, 1.
Alex, you're being so extra! I'm sweating. All right, we are back from the Activate place. It was so much fun. We really enjoyed it. We had a great time. Ryan and I realized that there's also one out in Texas, out in Dallas. Actually, it's in Plano. And we were like, we should do it again and do it again with more friends. But we've all kind of showered, and I think they're playing some Xbox downstairs. So we're all just kind of hanging out. I think we're gonna go to dinner, but we had a lot of fun at the Activate place. The Grid was the game that was like on the floor, and you could only touch the blue. Like you were trying to get all of the blue squares, but you can't touch the red. Green meant that you were like safe. You could stand on anything that was green. But it was a lot of fun. There's a lot of different options. You could do like the laser ones, the grid. There's just all kinds of different like game options, and you'd go into each room and like, yeah, play the games. It was a lot of fun. And I'm gonna go hang out downstairs. And then I think we're gonna go to dinner a little bit later, and then after dinner is probably when we're gonna drive back from Atlanta to Athens. We're gonna go back and sleep at Ryan's parents' house tonight. think I'm going to end the video here. Yesterday after breakfast, Ryan and I just spent a lot of time with our parents. So I spent the morning with my mom, and then Ryan and I went to lunch with my parents, and then we did dinner with his parents and just tried to spend a lot of time with family. So my mom and dad came over to Ryan's parents' house this morning just to say bye and see Heidi, but we are headed off to the airport to head out and to go back to Dallas. So my next video, I'm going to pick up my next video when we get back to Dallas and get groceries, and I have packages waiting for me. So my next video, I'm gonna do a little unboxing and a little grocery haul when we get back to Dallas, but I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed kind of seeing a little bit of where I grew up and seeing my family farm and seeing Amanda and just all the things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.